Okay, are you ready?
Take a drink.
Beth has been telling everybody to take a deep breath, so I'm going to tell you to take a deep breath. Well, what the heck? Oh, there we go.
Rotate it towards the near, towards the opposite near.
You're doing good, Beth. Good job.
Good job, honey.
Okay,
lean
forward. Keep space.
Sorry, sweetie.
Let's go ahead and lean
There,
your head
lean
forward.
Just keep swallowing. Just keep
Good. Good.
doing good. Good job,
Good.
Eve. Good job, Beth.
You guys are doing great.
It's water's coming out the tube. I'm getting it out. Sorry.
I'm taking it out, Andy.
Look at all that shit. See?
Water started coming back up the tube.
I saw it.